Oh, zoom into that one's face, the one on the right. She's got blood on her mouth. Look at that, everyone. Still got the remains of the carcass on her face. It's just incredible. Look at that face. Oh, it's intense, eh? Here comes the third one. If all six, Carol, like you said, climb up on this wall, I might just have a stroke. Never mind, she's laid down. She laid down. Oh, yeah, no, that would have been a photographic opportunity to be missed, because you couldn't plan that again if you tried, unless you very lucky. I think they're going to spend the morning here grooming themselves.
If you liked that video, everybody, please remember to like and subscribe, and join us on our free weekly live safaris on YouTube.